Okay, let's do our video here on the troubleshooting, and let's continue on looking now after many parts of trying to figure out this logic. We found a bad solder connection on the back plane of the DS20A switcher. So we will demonstrate here the logics, go through all of them. So we have one. Let's go ahead and start with S, and then we can cancel it. 1, we're in manual mode. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which we had our issues at starting at 10, which is now corrected. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So now we have the logic issue. Like I say, it was a bad solder connection from the factory at the back plane, and that was on the second card. It was on SCL 10 through 19. And the actual connection that led over to that was the SCL S through 9, the jumper that led from the socket going over to the SCL 10, 10 through 19 was the actual open connection on the data 1 line. And there you have it, the ESP-1 system. The next project, we have a missing segment on the display here, and we'll be going over that here, fixing the bad segment next.